Welcome to CUUC Garden Planters, our company established in 2006. It is one of the Chinese leading supplier of garden planter, who integrating the development, design and production of garden planters. We are offering millions of products throughout the world. With a professional for excellence and expertise in the design and export garden decoration planters, we received high reputation from old and new customers during our works. Meanwhile, we have been awarded the Certificates of Social Responsibility System of CDEX and SGS for many years. Sincerely hope your visit for our factory, and we are expecting our close cooperation together.